Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. Now here in this video, we are going to talk about the Geology Civil Services Examination paper of 2022. So over here, as far as you all can see, here are some questions as displayed. Let's first discuss the A question, that is explain convergent plate boundary with suitable examples and add a note about the characteristics of earthquakes at the convergent boundary. So here we have to talk about a convergent boundary and also give certain suitable examples, and also we need to talk about the different characteristics of earthquakes at that particular convergent boundary. So what is a convergent boundary first? Convergent plate boundary first we need to explain. Now this convergent plate boundary, this occurs when two tectonic plates move towards each other. Okay, two plates moving towards each other. This collision can result in subduction, where one plate is forced to go beneath the other. Like if this is how it's taking place, one plate is colliding and it's going beneath the other. So it's going like this, while the other plate is moving upwards. That's the case. While in continental collision, okay, what happens is that two plates with continental crust, they meet. That's the only difference. Okay, otherwise convergent plate boundary and continental plate boundary is almost the same, just a bit of difference. The little difference is there. Okay, now talking about the subduction zones. In subduction zones, what happens, like the boundary between the Pacific plate and the North American plate, if we consider, the descending plate melts. Descending means what? Like from the upper portion to the down to the below portion, that kind of plate, it melts, forming deep ocean trenches and volcanic arcs. Okay, so at this point, or in these kind of areas, earthquakes are quite common along these subduction zones due to the intense tectonic activity, as all the plates over here, they interact. Now in continental collision zones, such as the collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, what happens? Earthquakes often occur due to the immense pressure and strain which is caused by the plates pushing against each other. As I've already told, they push against each other. So these earthquakes can be powerful as well as they can cause significant geological changes. So overall we can say earthquakes at convergent plate boundaries are quite frequent and also very intense, resulting from complex interactions between the tectonic plates. Okay, so that is what you can explain in a more detailed manner for this 150 words answer. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Let's talk about these questions again in the next videos.